Project 39 mini albums, and I am here to show you a quick little project I made. My goal in this year is to finish up all of my Christmas stash. It's not quite the middle of December, and I have 3 collections. Most of them have been used already, but 3 collections to go. So I made this waterfall mini folio just to use up some simple stories, simple vintage Christmas log collection. I already made an embellishment box out of it and added a bunch of embellishments, and this and that embellishment box, I think the embellishment box is still in my Etsy shop. I'm not sure. Things are on sale, so they're flying off the shelves. Anyhow, I made this cute little thing. It's just a simple little waterfall book. On the left side, I've got, again, I'm just using my stash, so I had some of the coordinating solids. I made a tag. I had a sticker. This was one of the banner stickers that came with it. I made a couple of little folders. So these are about 4 by 4 1/4, so you can put some small photos, and that I just backed on cardstock. I loved this paper, this black and white paper. I thought it was just gorgeous. So I was happy to be able to use that. And again, I'll stick these little booklets in there, and then that tag. These were some of the ephemera that was from the brads. Of course, it's not a real brad anymore. It's adhesive, which is even better. That was a chipboard. That's chipboard. There's a brad. This comes down like that, and you could still put a photo there. I just wanted to make something a little different as far as a magnet to hold that all together. There's just a little journaling card tucked in the top there. But again, this comes down, and it's just a waterfall. I had some of the coordinating solids, and I used it all up, almost. I had scraps left over after this, and isn't that beautiful? I just left that alone on the back. But let me show you what I made with the scraps. I made tags. Now, again, in the interest of using my stash, I had this. I'm not sure where I got it from. Had it for a long time. There were some to's and froms, but the colors were a little off. Let me see if I can show you. You know, it's got the orange, pink, coral color. So I covered a lot of that. I made, this came from the packaging, I made this tag is smaller than that, so there's an 1/8 of an inch border all around it. So I used that. Now some places I kept the to and from on the bottom, and I just covered this with paper. Just glued it on and cut it off. Oh, there's journaling on the back. I left that. Why not? So again, I just covered it with paper. I layered some of the ephemera and just had some fun making some tags. Some of them I left. I covered the bottom part with just cardstock, and then this is where you can see I used the template I made and just added this on top, so you could write something down below if you wanted to. I did the same with that, left the to from. I had a lot of Santa Claus. This was a foam dimensional sticker. I added a black doily from my stash for that. That one, of course, 2 parts. That one too. That one also. And I was very glad that I finished all the paper. I don't have any of the paper left. I do have a little bit of the ephemera, but I'm going to see if I can use that with my other collections. So that is what I made with the Simple Stories, simple vintage Christmas Lodge paper that was in my stash. It is busted. So only a couple more to go, and hopefully I'll finish before Christmas. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. The link is in the description box. And like I said, I have a sale going on till probably Christmas. So thanks again for watching and have a fabulous day.